Yo, what's up guys, this is 𝗪𝗪𝗟𝗟 and today we're doing something a bit out of the scope of the channel. I mean, okay, it's kind of reverse engineering, but it's not binary exploitation. So let's go. I think everyone is a Pokemon fan and everyone has at least seen or played some Pokemon games. But in this video, we're not gonna play Pokemon, we're gonna play Tuxemon or Tuxemon, which is a similar game to the Pokemon ones we used to play. And it's open source, you can find it here. Right here it has installation commands, how you can install it. So let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Right here, cd Tuxemon, and we have a run me. And right here it load, so we have load, new game, mini game, etc. Let's go, new game. Spider and the Cathedral, I guess. What am I? Whatever. Do you want to skip the intro? Yes. I'm this guy. So what is my name? Let's see. I'm wet. Okay, and right here we see we can choose between these 5 ones. We have Budai, okay, Dolphin, Green Tot, Ignibus, and Memnomnom. Okay, I will go with this one. Yes. I'm not a gold member, okay, but I'm a penguin. Okay, that's nice. Let's go home, okay, boss. Okay, so we are right here, home. Let's go out. I won't speak with you. Oh! Okay, I think I shouldn't have passed from him. But whatever, let's go. We'll go up here. What do you think you're doing? It's not safe. Okay, I need to buy a Tuxemon. Let's go. Right here. Give me a Tuxemon. I'm working, boss, you know. It's such a terrible waste. It all goes into the bins behind the back of the store. Okay, let's go back. And okay, right here, there is something here. Nut. So this is this nut. Yes, I want this nut.
These nuts.
What are you doing? Okay. I'm gonna fight Billy. Oh my god. And I have these moves. Okay, let's go. Shuriken. Yes, this is my lag. Ah. I think it says it missed. Anyway, now bullet. Okay, so we actually managed to beat this guy and we got $50. Okay, I like this game in general, but it's a bit too slow in the fights. Yeah, heal my balls, my Tux balls. Okay, let's proceed fast. We go up and run, boys. No, I don't want to fight. We go up here. A Kata spike. Okay, run. Bye. Okay, we go up. We see. Come on, bro. Yes, amazing. So we go right here. Welcome, customer. Yes, I don't know what I said yes to. Oh, I received the Tux ball. So right now, what we have our Tuxemon, which is nut, and we have 5 Tux balls. Okay, that's good. Let's save our game. Empty slot 3, saved, and we exit. Okay, so what we're gonna do now, first of all, we need to find where our slots are saved, And if I do cut textbook, I have this command here that tells you where to find it. So run it. And we see that our save file is right here. So let's open it, sable this. And we see a lot of junk data right here. Go down, go down, go down. And right here we see something more easy to be read. And let's see. Okay, so we see we have some stuff. We see that we have our monsters right here inside an array or a dictionary, whatever it is. And our first object is this right here. So I'm gonna copy this right here. And first of all, let's change our HP. I want to be this. Our level, let's make it 96. Name not. I will say name hacked. And the slug will be, so from the Tuxpedia right here, we see we have plenty of Pokemon, of Tuxemon, I'm sorry. And let's see, is there anything? Oh, gladiator bug. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. Let's see, gladiator bug, this should be lowercase. Experience, capture device, whatever. Yes, I don't want to change them. I mean, I can possibly change the moves also. No moves here. Items and character, okay. I don't know where to change the moves, but it's okay. So right here, what we actually did is we added another Pokemon, another Tuxemon, which is Gladiator Bug, and the name is Hacked. So let's try and do another one. Oh my god. So I'm gonna take this, and right here, let's find another Tuxemon. Give me something good. Ooh, JEMUAR. Okay, I'm gonna take JEMUAR right here, and it's gonna be Hack 2.
Huck 2 and spit on that name.
I laugh at my own jokes. I'm miserable. JEMUAR. This is gonna be strong. I'm gonna make it level 100. And let's keep the rest as they are. Then let's see what else can we actually play with. Probably items. Items. Current HP. I want you to be this. Level. I'm gonna make you 56. And right here we see that we have our only item, which is a Tux Ball. And what we're gonna do, I'm gonna add, let's say, quantity this, and from the items we can take whatever of this we want. Let's say we want a Pyramidion, probably. So it's gonna be Pyramidion, quantity lit, and let's also add something else. So what can it be? Does it have any revive? Revive, that's nice. Okay, so we're gonna have revive, and I'm gonna make it 69. That's okay. Like this. Okay. Sprite name Penguin, combat front Penguin, slug adventurer. Let's see if we can take anything here. Is there an adventurer? Probably no. Okay. I mean, we can probably do lots of stuff. Let's change our money. Like this. Bank account. I don't know what this is, but it's okay. Something like this. Okay. If I change this to code, will it change? Who knows? Code. And here we have other stuff. I think that's okay right now. So let's go, we run the game again. We run the game again. Yes, yes. Load, then we're gonna load this one, the third one. Let's see what we get now. We see that our HP is already this, and we got hacked, which is this one, and hacked 2, which is this one. We have messed up with their HP and their levels, as we can see right here. The moves are the same, armor dodge, etc. Okay, we didn't play with that, but that's okay. We have plenty of HP to play. And in our bag we have lots of revives, Pyramidion, which is, I don't know, and Tux balls. And also, player, we see that we have infinite money. So, we actually did hack the game. We managed to have a really strong team, and I haven't even seen the first battle already. So yeah, I think that's it. I mean, you have infinite glitch money, you have infinite items, infinite Pokemon, whatever you want. So yeah, I mean, you didn't have to do much reverse engineering to find it, because all of these were saved in a .save file, like this. But in general, you see how you can, let's say, hack games. This one is a 101 example. You get a save file and you can alter it, because then it loads this file to get some basic stuff. I don't know why it saves them there, but that's fine. I mean, it's an offline game, not online, so they don't care much. But yeah, that was the video, guys. I hope you find it enjoyable and helpful. If so, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support me. And I know this wasn't a banner exploitation, but I think it was fun. So have fun, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.